welcome back to another video. Here the first opening is from Omega Healthcare, which we have already discussed in yesterday video. So here I have mentioned another email ID, another HR details, Raju Manikandan HR. So this opening is for Coimbatore location. They are looking for life science and paramedical graduates with CPC certification. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. Here is another opening from V Technology, hiring for tricky location from walk-in drive on Feb 15 and 16th of February. So I think, as per my knowledge, next week there is a chance they will hire for Pune or Hyderabad location or Salem. These three options are there for next week. So 15th and 16th of February, Ramesh HR. As we all know, the eligibility criteria of V Technology, graduates only, life science only, and this is the address they have given. And CTC 17,000 per month, and take home salary will be 14,600. Rotational shifts as per business needs. Two rounds of interview, online technical assessment, and final oral. 10th and 12th mark sheet with resume. You have to visit. Attend the interview, and there will be 18 months of bond anatomy and physiology you have to prepare. So here they have given important note. They are hiring for they will take only 250 interviews per day. So first come first served basis this is. So if you are reporting time will be sharp 10 a.m. So don't miss tricky candidates. So this is one opening from V Technology. Here is another opening from Savista Healthcare. They are hiring for medical coding freshers from 10th February, Monday to Friday, 10th to 14th of February. So these all are the details they have mentioned. Job description. The job description is the same, and only Chennai based candidates they are looking. Interested candidates can walk in directly to the office. Walk-in interview for medical underwriters, day shift, Emerge Healthcare, Coimbatore location. Walk-in from 11th February to the 15th of February, Coimbatore location. Medical underwriters, day shift, associate, Coimbatore, permanent payroll, full-time opportunity. Work from office, day shift, Monday to Friday. Job specifications need to review medical records, eliminate non-medical documents as per the process guidelines. These all are the desired skills. Should have good knowledge in anatomy, physiology, medical terminology, diseases, and treatment. And these all are the eligible candidates. 2022 to 2024 candidates are eligible. Only life science, UG, PG both can apply. 0 to 1 year experience. Interested candidates can attend the direct walk-in interview. So this is one opening for Enoch Healthcare. Another opening from Corro Health, urgent opening for physiotherapy freshers, Noida location from Feb 14th to the 13th of February. Few more days are left. Only physiotherapy freshers are eligible. BPT candidates, interested candidates, share your CV to this email ID, or else directly you can go for the walk-in. And there will be 18 months of a bond. CTC will be 14 change. It will be the take home salary. So this is one opening from Corro Health. Another opening which is for certified candidates for Bangalore location, which we have already discussed in yesterday video. Claris RCM hiring for 200 positions for certified candidates. They will provide you the spot offer. Only CPC, COC, CRC, CIC, CCS candidates are eligible. And benefits paid time off and holidays, food allowances, incentives, night shift allowances also there. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 days. Next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, trainee. Here it is the location. So this is one opening from Claris RCM, which we have already discussed in yesterday video. Scale Health is hiring. We are excited to announce that we have opening for medical coding CPC certified freshers for Punjab location. This is for day shift. Freshers are welcome to apply. CPC certification is required. If you are interested in this opportunity, please send your updated resume to the HR Shailaja. So this is one opening from Scale Health. So this is another opening from AGS Healthcare. So I'm not sure about this opening. If anyone already given interview for Chennai location from AGS Healthcare, please let me know in the comment section whether the hiring is going on or not. And share your CV to this email ID. Then maybe they will share you the call letter. Or if anyone near to the AGS office, please let us know whether the walk-in is going on or not. So this is about one opening from AGS Healthcare. This is another opening from Medical Record Reviewer from Advancement location, 8th and 9th of February, Saturday and Sunday, Gandhinagar location, night shift 5 or 6 days of working days on business requirement. Any graduate can apply, freshers or experienced can also apply. So this is one opening from Advancement. SCA Healthcare hiring for freshers, medical coders, CPC certification is mandatory. This is for interview will be face to face. Only candidate from Delhi NCR will be preferred. This job location will be Noida. They have not mentioned particular address also, and should have the good communication skills, learning skills, and positive skills. Two email IDs they have given, Tejashwi and Nishita. So AGS Healthcare also hiring for medical coding freshers for Jaipur location, which is permanent work from office only. Saturday and Sunday fixed off 5 days of working days, and the interested candidates can share your CV to this email ID and or to this WhatsApp number Ashima HR. So this is one opening from AGS Healthcare. So these all are the openings that we have for freshers. So AGS Healthcare hiring for Chennai location also. I am not sure about this opening. So if anyone know about this, let us know in the comment section also. And SCA Healthcare hiring for certified freshers for Noida location. AGS also hiring for Jaipur location, both certified and non-certified. Omega hiring for Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad location. For these details, you can check description or end cards. I will mention that video in the end card. And Coro Health hiring for BPT candidates. A walk-in drive till February 14th is there. And Savista hiring for Chennai location for certified, non-certified. Walk-in is going on. Tricky Omega also hiring for Tricky location. V Technology hiring for Tricky location. Jobixo hiring for Bangalore location. They have not given walk-in dates, and IK is hiring for Navi Mumbai location and also for Coimbatore location, which is for medical summarizer position. And Claris RCM hiring for Chennai location, where 2000 openings are there, as we have discussed in yesterday video and today video. SKL hiring for certified freshers, which is for Punjab location. Omega also hiring for Coimbatore location. So today video only we have discussed about this opening. So almost Omega hiring for three locations, three, four, and five locations. It is Omega hiring for total five locations. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me in Instagram for more videos. I have already uploaded few of these openings in Instagram also, so do follow me in Instagram. And if you have any doubts or if you have any opening information, please let me know in the Instagram. Please DM me. I will know the details and I will post here. It will be helpful for few other candidates also. Thank you for watching.